Hello, compliments of the season. Glad to be here, glad to speak to you. I'm so happy. From wherever parts of the world you may be watching from, I want to say hi to my fans in the US, Nigeria, UK. Thank you for tuning into this page. I'm so glad and elated being on this live. Thank you so much, guys. You guys are the best. This time around, I saw Facebook took a new, a new leaf. I saw that message on my dashboard. It's from on the 10th you could activate monetization bonus. So guys, I'm elated and I'm happy to share this with you. I hope all creators that are watching this video have also got theirs. Because I'm so curious to know, guys. Alright, so just let me know how yours went and what are your plans for the season. What are your plans for the moment? I believe in temperate regions should be encountering winter by now. We are encountering the Hamatan, and you could see my skin here. How can you describe? Am I really glowing? Am I looking good or bad? I just know God has been faithful. Yeah. So guys, I wish you a lovely day ahead and the best for the rest of the day. Thank you so much, guys, for watching. If you have any question, maybe like related posts you would like me to do, just drop in the comment section, and don't forget to engage on this video, share this video to people so they also watch. Let's just keep the vibe flowing. Thank you for your time, guys.